Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on holding the steering wheel for the driving test. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of holding and gripping the steering wheel for the driving test. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into the driving test video. So basically, you want to have two hands on the wheel as often as you possibly can. If you're driving an automatic car, then obviously you should really have two hands on the wheel for the entire duration of the driving test. If you, by any chance, are driving a manual car, then obviously you have to take one hand off to shift, but you should still have two hands on the wheel as often as you possibly can. So what you want to do is you want to have both hands equidistant from the top center of the wheel. Right here is the top center of the wheel, and if you can imagine it as a clock, we have 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So once again, it's a clock. You want to take your right hand, you want to place it on the 2 o'clock position, right about there. Your left hand, place it on the 10 o'clock position. This is referred to as the 10 and 2 hand positioning on the steering wheel. Just like this, pretty simple and straightforward. Now this is one way to hold the wheel. And in most places where you're taking your driving test, this is what they're going to expect. They want you to use the 10 and 2. In some places, they're open to the 9 and 3, which is just like this, but most places are going to be 10 and 2. Do some research and figure out what they expect in the area that you are taking your driving test in. Okay? Now, once you've placed your hands there, you want to make sure that you have a firm grip on the steering wheel, but you don't want it to be so firm to the point where your hands are like going to just rip the wheel off. No. You want to have a firm enough grip on the wheel that when you turn it, you can steer it easily and you're not at risk of it sliding around. But also, you want to make sure that, your grip is still loose enough that you're able to move the wheel smoothly. Because what happens is if your grip gets to be too tight, then you end up going like this. Your movements are very rough. The driving examiner is going to be moving back and forth. Just a very rough ride for them. They're not going to like it. And if your grip is too loose, then your wheel is just going to slide around. And once again, you're not going to be able to turn effectively or steer effectively. So you want to meet in the middle. You want to have a firm, but also flexible approach with regards to your grip on the wheel. So try the 10 and 2 position. And you want to get your hands, 4 fingers wrap around this way, your thumbs wrap around this way, and you're not going to close the grip. You're just going to kind of bring them close together like that. So sort of like that. Just like that, right? And sometimes your fingers might touch, which is fine, but you're not like closing the grip. You're kind of just like that. And the majority of the muscle strength is coming from here, not from the tips. It's coming from this part of the area right here, just like this. Okay? And this is how you're going to steer and grip for the driving test. This is how you're going to hold the steering wheel for the driving test. Very simple thing to do. Now, when you go to use your turn signal, obviously you're going to move one hand, but you're going to still keep your hands on the wheel. So like a lot of people I see go like this. No, you're now steering with one hand. That's not right. So what you're going to do is you're going to move one hand, control the turn signal just like that. And when you're done with it, you move your hand back up, like a little sliding technique. If you want to use your windshield wipers, once again, you take one hand, go ahead, turn them on, do whatever you need to do, and then go ahead and bring your hand back up. So you're never really going to completely remove your hand to do whatever you need to do. You need to just slide it. This way you still maintain control of the wheel, and try and only do one at a time. You don't want to bring both hands like this because then you don't have maximum control. Use one hand at a time. Only move one hand when the other one is at the 10 or 2 position. And that's basically it. That is how to hold the steering wheel for the driving test. This has been a simple driving tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.